Camping in 2025 is all about blending timeless survival skills with modern hacks to make your outdoor adventures safer, smarter, and more enjoyable. Whether you're a seasoned camper or heading out for your first spring trip, these tips will keep you prepared for anything Mother Nature throws your way. In this video, we'll cover 10 essential chapters. First, we'll start with the basics of setting up your campsite efficiently. Next, we'll dive into water purification techniques to ensure you have safe drinking water. We'll also explore various cooking methods and meal planning for the outdoors. Navigation skills are crucial, so we'll cover both traditional and modern navigation tools. Safety is paramount, and we'll discuss essential first aid skills and emergency preparedness. We'll look at how to harness solar power to keep your devices charged. Multi-tools are a camper's best friend, and we'll show you the best ones to carry. Food storage and wildlife safety are critical, so we'll cover how to protect your food from animals. We'll also explore different sleeping arrangements to ensure a good night's rest. Finally, we'll wrap up with advanced fire starting techniques to keep you warm and safe. Let's dive into the ultimate list of camping hacks and survival skills for this year. First things first, preparation is everything. Before you even step foot on the trail, do your homework. Research the weather forecast, understand the terrain you'll be exploring, and familiarize yourself with the local wildlife. Knowing what to expect is half the battle when it comes to staying safe outdoors. And don't forget to share your plans with someone back home. Having an emergency contact is an absolute must. Create a detailed checklist of items to pack. Essentials include a first aid kit, navigation tools like a map and compass, and weather-appropriate clothing. Don't forget food and water supplies. Pack enough non-perishable food and a reliable water filtration system. Test your gear before you go. Make sure your tent, stove, and sleeping bag are in good condition. Plan your route in detail. Know your entry and exit points, and have a backup plan in case of emergencies. Review emergency procedures, and pack extra batteries and a multi-tool. Being prepared can make all the difference in a survival situation. With thorough preparation, you can ensure a safe and enjoyable camping experience. Now let's talk navigation. GPS devices are incredibly useful for modern navigation, but they rely on batteries and signals which can fail when you least expect it. That's why mastering the basics of map reading and compass use is crucial. A map provides a detailed view of the terrain, showing landmarks, elevation, and trails. Topographic maps in particular are great for understanding the landscape. A compass helps you determine direction and can be used to take bearings. By aligning your map with your compass, you can set a course and navigate accurately. GPS devices can provide precise coordinates and track your route, but always have a backup plan. These old-school tools can be lifesavers if you find yourself off the beaten path without cell service. When it comes to shelter, setting up your tent properly is key. But what if you're caught without one? Learning how to build an emergency shelter like a lean-to made from branches and leaves can protect you from harsh weather and keep you warm through the night. Start by finding a sturdy base, like a fallen tree or a large rock. Lay branches at an angle against it to create a frame. Cover the frame with leaves, pine needles, or any available foliage to insulate and protect against wind and rain. Another option is an A-frame shelter. Use two strong branches to form an inverted V shape. and secure them with rope or vines. Add cross branches for stability, then cover the structure with leaves and foliage for insulation. Speaking of warmth, fire starting is one of the most crucial survival skills you can have. Always carry waterproof matches or a reliable fire starter in your gear and practice using them before your trip. Collect dry tinder like bark or pine needles to get your fire going quickly, even in damp conditions. Arrange your tinder and kindling in a teepee or log cabin structure to ensure good airflow. Light the tinder and gradually add larger sticks to build a sustainable fire. Water purification is a crucial skill for any camper. Streams may look clean and inviting, but drinking untreated water can lead to serious illness. There are several methods to purify water in the wild. Portable water filters are lightweight and easy to use. Simply pump the water through the filter to remove bacteria and protozoa. Chemical treatments like purification tablets are another option. Drop the tablets into your water and wait the recommended time to kill harmful pathogens. Boiling water is a reliable backup method. Bring the water to a rolling boil for at least 1 minute to ensure it's safe to drink. Always have multiple methods on hand to ensure you have access to safe drinking water during your camping adventures. Safety doesn't stop there. Basic first aid knowledge is non-negotiable for any outdoor enthusiast. From treating blisters to handling insect bites or minor burns, knowing how to care for yourself or others can make all the difference in an emergency situation. Essential items for your first aid kit include adhesive bandages, antiseptic wipes, gauze pads, medical tape, tweezers, scissors, and a digital thermometer. For treating common injuries, start by cleaning the wound with antiseptic wipes. Use tweezers to remove any debris, then apply a bandage or gauze pad. For insect bites, apply ointment to reduce itching and swelling. For minor burns, cool the area with water and cover it with a sterile dressing. Always have a cold pack on hand for sprains and strains, and know how to wrap an injury with an elastic bandage. Finally, familiarize yourself with CPR and basic first aid procedures by reading a manual or taking a course. Being prepared can save lives. Now let's dive into a comprehensive list of camping hacks that'll make your trip more comfortable and efficient. Duct tape is every camper's best friend. Wrap some around your water bottle for quick access. Use it to repair gear or even treat blisters on the go. Simply apply a small piece over the blister to reduce friction and protect it. Got wet shoes? Stuff them with dry clothes or newspaper overnight to soak up moisture. This way, you won't have to hike in soggy footwear the next day. For faster drying, place them near the campfire, but not too close to avoid damage. For nighttime visibility around camp, solar stake lights are a game changer. Place them around your tent or pathways. They're eco-friendly and eliminate the need for extra batteries, providing a sustainable lighting solution. These lights charge during the day and automatically turn on at dusk, ensuring your campsite is well lit without any hassle. Packing efficiently is another hack that'll save you time and space. Use packing cubes or stuffed sacks to keep your gear organized and easily accessible. Roll your clothes inside socks to maximize room in your backpack while keeping items organized. This method also helps prevent wrinkles and makes it easier to find what you need. And here's one for maintaining your sleeping bag. Toss it in the dryer with tennis balls before your trip to fluff it up. This keeps it cozy for those chilly spring nights, ensuring a comfortable sleep. Don't forget a multi-tool. It's incredibly versatile for fixing gear, preparing food, and even first aid. Make sure it's easily accessible in your pack. A headlamp is essential for hands-free lighting. Use it for setting up camp in the dark, reading, or any nighttime activities. Opt for one with adjustable brightness and a red light mode to preserve night vision. Lastly, a portable water filter ensures you have access to clean drinking water. Demonstrate how to use it by filtering water from a stream or lake into your bottle. This is crucial for staying hydrated and healthy during your trip. Rainy weather, no problem. Use tarps over your tent for added protection against downpours. And don't forget proper ventilation to prevent condensation buildup inside. Mud is inevitable during spring camping trips, but you can manage it by laying mats outside your tent for muddy shoes. Use hiking sticks for stability on slippery trails. Set up a clothesline under a tarp to dry wet clothes and gear. Wring out excess water before hanging them up. Pack your gear in waterproof bags to keep everything dry. This is especially important for electronics and clothing. To maintain comfort, use a portable heater inside your tent and enjoy a warm drink. Creating a cozy atmosphere can make a big difference. Wear layered clothing to stay warm and dry. Start with a moisture-wicking base layer, add an insulating layer, and top it off with a waterproof jacket. For bug protection, install mosquito netting on your tent. Consider using products like the Coleman mosquito net or the Coughlin's mosquito netting. Reduce light usage at night to avoid attracting insects. Opt for red or yellow LED lights, such as the Black Diamond Moji Lantern. Apply insect repellent containing DEET or picaridin. Sawyer products. Premium insect repellent is a great choice. Keep electronics safe by storing them in waterproof bags like the Sea to Summit Dry Sacks or Dry Sacks, because nothing ruins a trip faster than soggy gear. Use products like the Earth Pack Waterproof Dry Bag for added protection. Camping is about enjoying nature while staying prepared for its surprises. Throughout this video, we've explored essential survival skills and smart camping hacks to make your outdoor adventures safer and more enjoyable. From setting up your campsite efficiently to using innovative gear and staying prepared for any weather, these tips will help you embrace everything the great outdoors has to offer. Remember, the key to a successful camping trip is preparation and adaptability. So pack up your gear, hit that trailhead, and apply the skills and hacks you've learned. And hey, if you found these tips helpful, don't forget to follow Adventure Seeker's Paradise for more incredible journeys just like this one. Happy camping!